What's up, guys? I'm ShyGuy48, and today I got a package from eBay. This is, it came from Japan, so that's why it took a while. As you can see, I've already taken the troubles of opening it. Now we're going to open it and see what treasures await inside. Do 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 do. Do packaging. Oh my word, that's so much fun. All right, here we go. Oh, what's this? Looks like we got some Japanese green tea. Awesome. That'll be fun. That'll be fun. We got some Japanese green tea. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right. It says, "Thank you. I'm sending you a Japanese awesome. Please contact me if there is something you want. I'll get back to you right away." It just says that this is basically the guy that I sell to you. All of our products on eBay are available for direct sale. In that case, you can buy them at a 10% discount. So this thing it's kind of like is like a 10% discount coupons. That's cool. So I bought a Famicom and a Famicom disk system, and here is the game that it came with. This is Golf Japan course. So that's cool. It's this is a Nintendo Switch. So that's cool. And power brick for either the disk system or the Famicom itself. But here we go. The disk system itself is wrapped in here. And let me see if I can get it out. Crikey, there we go. All right, and this is the Famicom itself. I'm really excited to have this. So happy. Let's try to get the Famicom out. I can feel that it's wrapped in some bubble wrap. Hang on a second. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. That's the stuff here. All right. So here we go. Here's the Famicom family computer. Put that over there. And this is the RAM adapter for the disk system. All right. If this video cuts off in the middle of everything, I apologize. I'm just going to have to make sure that I do this in a multi-part video. But that's the RAM that attaches to the disk to the Famicom itself. So let's get the Famicom out of its bubble wrap. Here we go. The Famicom looks amazing. Look at that. It's a little yellow because it is kind of old, but it's still the Famicom and it looks amazing. This is a fine piece of Nintendo history right here. This is where the NES first started. This is when Nintendo started with their home consoles. All right. So now, of course, here, I think this might be the power brick for the NES. For the Famicom. Oh, right. We also got another power brick. This is a Japanese power brick. Now, if you guys have a Famicom in America, do not use the Japanese cables. You have to use any American NES cables. I'm going to look up on a video on how to set this up, and I'm going to be setting it up to my little TV that I have. I'm just going to put any other packaging material in here. Still got that green tea. I kind of want to try this out. I think I'm going to try this out later today. This looks really interesting. Some Japanese green tea. All right, next up, we got to open up the disk system. So I'm going to leave you on a black screen for a sec so I can get the disk system opened up. Here we go. Here is the disk system. Famicom disk system. Famicom. Let's see if we can get Family Computer Disk System. Uh-oh. I pressed the button in. Well. But yeah, here we go. I have to fix that button. I accidentally pressed it. I pressed it in, and I don't know how. But here's what it will look like once I set it up with the Famicom on top and the disk system on the bottom. Of course, I've got all the parts over here. Before I end the video, let's take a look at the game. Let's see what the game we got. Japan course, golf. Here we go. Basically the instruction manual, contents, and here's the actual game itself. And I'm going to open up the game here. And we're going to take a look at the disc. Here it is. Let's insert it into the disk system. Okay. There we go. And you just press this button to eject the game. Oh, so it's supposed to be pressed in like that. Because when you put it in, that's when the button comes out. And then, of course, you press on the button to release the game. That's cool. This is so cool. I'm so glad I got this. The seller who sold me this, hang on a sec. I'm gonna see if I can find the name of him. Oh, well, here's the QR code for his eBay shop. check him out because he does he does a lot of he sells like a lot. Like this looks really great and really clean. And he did whatever he could to make sure that I was satisfied. So thank you very much. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will try to upload a video of me trying out Golf Japan course. And I'm going to try to get Super Mario Brothers 2: The Lost Levels for the disc system, and maybe get a few Famicom games. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.